So our first question on homogeneous differential equation is, the question is solve 2xy plus x square dy by dx equals to 3y square plus 2xy. In the given question, we will not be given that it is this type of differential equation or that type of differential equation. We will have to identify which type of differential equation is this and how to solve this. If we will be able to separate out which type of differential equation is this, then we will apply a specific method for that special type of differential equation, and we will be able to solve that differential equation. So here the differential equation is of the form 2xy plus x square dy by dx equals to 3y square plus 2xy. If we try to separate out the variables, we see that here the dependent and independent variables are in product. Here the dependent variable and independent variable are in product. X and y both are in product. So we will not be able to separate out the variables. So it is not of the form variable separable. So if I write it in the form dy by dx equals to 3y square plus 2xy divided by 2xy plus x square, then it is of the form dy by dx equals to function 1xy fxy upon some other function 5xy. It is of the form. Now we will see that if these functions fxy and 5xy, these functions are homogeneous and have same degree. So our first function is fxy. It can be easily seen that here the degree of y is 2, and in this term degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1, both are in product. In product the degrees will add up, so it has degree 2, this term has degree 2, this term has degree 2. On addition the degree will remain same, so the numerator has degree 2. It is homogeneous and has degree 2. In the denominator, if we will see that x degree 1, y degree 1, in product degrees will add up, so it has degree 2, it has degree 2. In addition degrees will add up, both have same degrees, so the function is homogeneous having degree 2. So both the functions are homogeneous and have degree 2, or you can also check it by replacing x with lambda x and y with lambda y. The function fxy is 3y square plus 2xy. If we try to check whether it is homogeneous and what is its degree, we will replace x with lambda x and y with lambda y. Then it will become 3 lambda y whole square plus 2 x is replaced by lambda x and y with lambda y. Then we will be able to separate out lambda square and we will get 3y square plus 2xy, and it is function xy itself. So we are able to separate the powers of lambda from the function. Therefore it is homogeneous. Fxy is homogeneous function and has degree 2. Similarly we can also check f5xy is also a homogeneous function having degree 2. Both are homogeneous functions having degree 2. So this differential equation is homogeneous differential equation and can be solved by the dependent variable is y, can be solved by putting y equals to vx. So we can write similarly, if you want to write, you can write phi lambda x lambda y will be lambda square phi xy. Thus fxy and phi xy are homogeneous functions of degree 2. Thus we have already written this. So the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. It is homogeneous differential equation. For solution we will put y equals to vx or dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. I am deleting this term. dy by dx will be replaced by v plus x dv by dx. Here the dependent variable is v, and we will replace y with vx, 3 vx whole square plus 2x vx divided by 2x vx plus x square. Taking x square common, we will get 3v square plus 2v divided by 2v plus 1. Taking v to the other side, x dv by dx equals to 3v square plus 2v divided by 2v plus 1 minus v. On taking LCM, the numerator will become 3v square plus 2v minus 2v square minus v. So it will become v square plus v upon 2v plus 1. Now x dv by dx equals to v square plus v upon 2v plus 1. It is a function of v, and here x and v can be separated, so we will write it in the form 2v plus 1 upon v square plus v equals to dx upon x. On integrating, we will see that its derivative is in the numerator. Here dv is its derivative, 2v plus 1 is in the numerator, so it will become ln v square plus v equals to, it will become ln x plus, we can also write the constant in the logarithm, ln c. So it can be written as ln v square plus v equals to ln cx. Both these logarithms will cancel out. V square, v can be replaced by v. From here, v is y upon x. Y upon x whole square plus y upon x equals to cx. This is the required solution of the given differential equation, which is the homogeneous differential equation. Moving on to the next example, solve. The differential equation is solve x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y minus y sin y upon x, y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x dy by dx equals to 0. This differential equation can be written in the form here. We can easily see that the variables are not separable since y and x are present in the argument of sine and cos. Therefore, the differential equation can be written as dy by dx equals to x cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y upon y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x. It is of the form fxy upon phi xy, where fxy and phi xy are homogeneous functions. You can easily check that it is a homogeneous function. It is also a homogeneous function. It is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Here you can see that this degree will cancel out. X on multiplication with y will give degree 2. Y on multiplication with y will give degree 2. Degree 2, degree 2. On addition, degree will not change. So numerator is degree 2. Denominator, in the similar method, the denominator will also have degree 2. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. Now to solve this type of differential equation, the dependent variable is y. We will replace dependent variable y with another dependent variable v, and its product with independent variable x. So we will put y equals to vx. On differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equals to by product rule. V plus v into derivative of x is 1. So v into 1 is v. V plus x, v derivative of v with respect to x, dv by dx. So we will replace dy by dx with v plus x dv by dx equals to, on the right hand side we will replace y with vx. X will remain as it is, cos y is replaced by vx upon x plus vx sin vx upon x, and vx divided by vx sin vx upon x minus x cos vx upon x and x. Now on solving, what will we get? V plus x dv by dx equals to, in the right hand side we can take x common from these terms, so it will become x square outside, cos v plus v sin v, and it will become vx square outside, and here x common and it will become v sin v minus cos v x square. X square will cancel out and we will take v to the right hand side. It will become x dv by dx equals to cos v plus v sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v minus v. Taking LCM and on solving, v sin v minus cos v plus v sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v. Here it will be v cos v, v square sin v. So v square sin v will cancel out. You will get 2v cos v divided by v sin v minus cos v, and here x dv by dx. Here it is a function of v, so variables are separable now. We will separate, we will take terms of v to the left hand side, v sin v minus cos v divided by 2v cos v, or 2 can be written in RHS also, 2 dx upon x. Now on integrating both sides, we will get, it will be 10v minus 1 upon v dv equals to 2 ln x plus c, and on integration it will be log sec v minus ln v equals to 2 ln x plus c. Thus it will become log sec v. Initially we put y equals to vx, therefore v is y upon x log sec y upon x minus log y upon x equals to 2 ln x plus c, or you can reduce it to some special form as given in the question. So to solve a homogeneous differential equation, we generally put y equals to vx or x equals to vy according to the dependent and independent variable. Thank you.